Welcome to the Perry Crew. Thanks for checking us out today, guys. We have the LOL Surprise hair vibes that we're going to open up today. Kai has been good at school, so she's been waiting to open this one up all week. So we have this one, and we also decided to get another little LOL surprise. We have some special friends that are waiting on us to open these up, so let's get to it. I'm excited. This is our... Go ahead, keep going. You gotta open it all the way up.
Oh, we got the
Let's see. We have what is it, stickers?
No, they're not stickers. It's just telling you like dress
Kai got it completely unwrapped, and this is what it looks like before she cracks it open. So you want to crack it open? Let's see. Ooh. Okay, so these are all the surprises. We have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I think this might be the doll. 8. And then we have, what is this? We'll figure it out once we start to put our LOL together. We have some instructions, and we have boop, hair vibes, so we can find out which one we had. So we went ahead and we have all of our prizes and mystery reveals laid out. So Kai, open up this one. Let's see what's in there. Ooh, okay. We have what? Some hair. And then we have one more spot here. We can sit it over here with the prizes. Sit it right here. And that one is... Ooh, more hair? Let's see. And that's what? One of our favorite colors.
yeah.
All right. Ooh, I like this. So do you want to go ahead and open up your mystery prizes? Let's do it. Let's see what we have. Okay, you can sit it down. We'll sit everything down.
Here's a little comb.
Okay. So far we have an outfit for our LOL, and we have a cute comb. Is that the dog? Ooh, let's see her. Ooh, welcome. This is our new addition.
Oh,
And this is what she looks like out of the pack.
here's her head.
Ooh, okay. Snap it on. How does it go? Ooh, I like that. There's another hair piece.
And mine?
I think so. Oh, it has a bow. Put that down there. Let me see. Let's see what this is. Alright, we're going to add it with everything else, and we are going to get our LOL dress here soon. More hair. Ooh, okay, these are her shoes. Ooh, she's gonna be one stylish girl. And then you got one here. Let's see. I'll take all the trash. You've done well. Is this the last one?
It must be.
Okay.
Here's her.
Ooh, here's her special bottle. So let's go ahead and get our LOL together, okay? Here's our girl. Let's see which one we have. You want to come point to it, Kai? Which one do we have? Who does she look like out of all of these? Let's see. You think so?
She is, because
You think so?
you see, she's wearing this kind of dress, and this kind of character is wearing this dress too. And
So we have Miss Masquerade. She looks nice. Here's some of the extra hair pieces they gave us that we'll use sometime soon, but we welcome her. We have one more little LOL to open, and then we're gonna have some fun. Let's get started, Kai. Ah! You're drooling there a little bit, Miss Masquerade. This is the last of our LOL friends we are gonna open today. This is the LOL Surprise Littles, and it is from the Winter Disco. So let's get started. That was a little easier, huh? All right, let's crack it open. Let's see, I'll help you. Got it open. Let's see what we have. Oh, okay. Let's see. Instructions. Looks like this one actually gave us some stickers. Looks like we have another platform for our little LOL to stand on. No money in it, huh?
Yeah, no money. It doesn't have money.
Oh look, another LOL friend just pulled up in her nice car. Hi, hello. We just opened up some new LOL friends, and you can come and play with us too. Look, she has a little car for the little LOL that we just opened up, and she has some cool stickers on the back of her car. So let us have some fun. Swag's car. This is for the little LOL. Perfect seat to hang in the back. We have our baby on board stickers, and the door even's opened up for us. Well, hello, LOL Minnie. You want to take a ride with me? My house is just right over here. Let's go. We can meet our friends and have some dinner. We are here, friend. Hop out. I made some dinner for us over here at my table, so let's go and eat. I am starving. This pasta is delicious. How do you like yours, little LOL? Oh, I guess it's great. All right, I'm almost done. Oh, someone's at the doorbell. Let's go see. I'll be right back, little LOL friend. Who could that be? Let's open the doors. Hello, Miss Masquerade. Come on in. We're just finishing up dinner. Thanks for stopping by, Miss Masquerade. How do you like your food?
It is so yummy.
This food is delicious. Alrighty, dig in, guys. Let's eat it up. Let's eat it up while it's still hot. Oh no, again? Okay, Miss Masquerade, a little LOL. I'll be right back. Let's see who's at the door. Oh. Oh, hello, friend. Come on in and join us. I've made dinner. It is cool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.